Welcome po sa ating second episode ng Dayo Series kung saan ay mamimit namin ang isa sa hindi namin nakakalang maging member pa ng aming team na si J-Works. At itong mga grupo ng kabataan sa pangalan natin si Team Siron. Hali po kayo at tungayan natin ang magandang paghaharap. Medyo nakaka-challenge sapagkat itong aming makakaharap na kasama nga ni J-Works. At balita kong lamang ang height advantage. Nakikita ko na may mga bata din siyang kasama at naglaro yung iba sa Pro League. Pero in the end of the day, bilang sabi nga natin, sa edad natin na to, 45, ay ang gusto lamang natin ay i-challenge ang ating sarili. At ang ating kalusugan ay maging maayos. Kaya sa pamamagitan ng paglalaro sa kanila, pagpapapawis, ay sapat na. Ika nga. Ito po. At pag na natin patagalin pa, panoorin natin ang mga highlights ng naging laban. Team J-Works versus Team Eds. J-Works para sa first possession. Pinasa kay Captain J-Works, deflected, nakuha ni Kenneth. Bigay kay Dudes to set the play. Pinasa kay Edward para iset sa gitna. Edward nakita agad ang open na si Siron. Siron binitawan agad ng dos. Good for 2. Team J-Works pinaset ang bola sa point guard. Decided to make a drive. Pinasa sa kaliwa para sa open na big man. Fakes drive, pumunta sa gawing kanan. Decided to make a shot. Make it. Get his own rebound. Establish sa poste. Binigay sa isa pang open big man. Quick release. Doesn't make it. Kenneth gets his own rebound. Works again to set the play. Point guard dribbling habang ina-assess ang distansya. Nakakita ng open ulit sa gawing kaliwa sa big man. Umatake sa kanan, huminto sa free throw. Pinasa sa gawing kanan sa mas open na 3-pointer. For a wide open 3. Bam! Now, Team J-Works ulit to set the play. Diniretso ang pasa sa wide open 3-pointer. 3-pointer again for a contested 3-point. Still makes the shot. For a back-to-back 3-point shot. Making the score 6-2. Now, Dudes to set the play for Team Eds. Calculating an open man. Kenneth. Now, Kenneth. Wide open perimeter jumper. Still no good. Rebound by Team J-Works. Team Eds to set the play. Dudes holding the ball. Nakatingin sa kanan, screen si Kenneth. Finds a wide 3-pointer. Sabas for a wide 3-pointer. Makes the shot, contested. No good. And Team J-Works for the rebound. Now, Team J-Works again to set the play. Point guard, in-stop ang bola sa gitna. Naghanap ng papasahan, binigay sa isang big man sa may free throw. Bilis na pila sa kay big man ulit sa may 3-point area. Walang mapasahan, binalik ulit ang bola sa point guard. Mabilis na nag-drive, check. Pass to J-Works, J-Works to big man ulit. To make for the 3. No good, and Sabas for the rebound. Binigay kay Edward to set the play. Edward setting the play. Behind the back. Dinoble team. Nakakita ng opening sa kaliwa for Siron. Siron for an easy 2. Good jumper. Now, Team Eds 4. Team J-Works 6. Now, Team J-Works decided to play. Point guard na bantayan. Pinasa ang bola sa 3-pointer. May bantay, binalik. Pinasa sa kaliwa kay big man. May guardia, kumaliwa. Sinet ang bola, naghanap ng open. Walang makitang papasahan. Kumat ang 3-pointer. Still may bantay siya. Ilalim. Backdoor. Si big man nag-drive. Easy 2 points. Setting again the play. Gumunta sa kaliwa. Iniskrin na ng bantay sabay pasa sa wide open 3-pointer na si Sabas. For open 3, no good. Rebound by J-Works. J-Works pinasa sa point guard, almost a travel drive. Doesn't make the shot. Big rebound by Sabas. So, Team J-Works again for the drives, attacks. Good. Making Team J-Works for a 4-0 run. Edward says a play. Nakita si Dude sa gawing kaliwa for a 3-point shot. Bam! Cutting the leg down into 3. Edward drives, pass to Siron for 2. Doesn't make it. Rebound by big man. Accidenting natapik kay Kenneth for an easy 2 points. Team J-Works for the inbound. Point guard decided to go to the left. Pinasa kay big man. Gusto sa magus sa 3. Makes it. Making a 4-point lead again. Edward again. Pass to Dudes to set the play. Dudes nakatingin sa kanan. Mabilis na pasa sa kaliwa para kay Sabas for an open 3-point again. But still doesn't make it. Team J-Works for the rebound. Team J-Works is for the inbound. Ball handle. Binalik sa open 3-pointer for the screen. Humabol ng depensa ngunit nagawa pa rin i-shoot. Ang tira ngayon ay nagdulot ng 16 points para sa Team J-Works at 9 points naman para sa Team Eds para tapusin ang first half. Yan ay umpisa ng second half. Team Eds ininbound ng bola. Edward, mabilis na pinasa kay Siron for a quick jumper. Good. Edward and Siron connection ay nagbigay ng 3-point deficit para sa Team Eds. Ngayon, sineset ng Team J-Works ang bola. Point guard, umatake. Triple team para kay Team Eds. Check. Ngunit tumawag ng foul. Ang bola ay mananatili pa rin sa Team J-Works. Now, Team J-Works sets the play. 3-pointer, pinasa kay Bigman ulit. Decided for a drive. Binalik kay 3-pointer. Bumitaw. Pasok. Now, Edward sets the play. Binigay kay open ulit na Sabas for a long three. In and out. Edward got his own rebound. Mabilis na pinasa kay Siron for a jumper. No good. Rebound by Bigman of J-Works. Now, Team J-Works is for the set of play. Pinasa sa 3-point. Heavy guarded by Dudes. Pinasa ni 3-pointer sa ilalim. Magandang depensa ni Kenneth. Pinasa na naman sa Bigman ni J-Works sa may free throw. Ngunit nadulas. Napunta sa gawing natapik ni Dudes. Nakuha ni Siron. Pinas break kay Sabas for a possible transition play. Layup. No good. Rebound by Team J-Works. Now, Team J-Works point guard. Mabilis sa pasa sa ilalim kay Bigman for an easy layup. Good for 2. Pagpasok ng second half ay nag-struggle ang Team Eds. Samantalang ang Team J-Works ay may 5 points na para sa second half. Team Eds, magpapakasakali maka-score na. Edward sets the play. Kay Dudes, inassess. Mabilis na pinasa kay Siron. Open, binalik kay Edward. Edward decided for a drive. Fake drive, pinasa kay Open, Chavas. Wala pa rin. Big rebound by Team J-Works. Ngunit na steal ni Kenneth, pinasa kay Dudes. Pinakasa kay Siron, nagsipang iset ang play. Ngunit hindi, decided mag-jump shot. No good pa din. Medyo inaalat na ang Team Eds sa second half. Now, Siron sets the play for Team Eds. Pinasa ni Kenneth. Siya naman ang sumubok sa 3. Wala pa rin. Team J-Works naman para sa atake. Pinasa sa open 3-pointer ulit. Pasok. Team J-Works is for the 8-0 run in this second half. Team J-Works ulit para sa atake. Point guard. Pasok na naman. Another 2 points. Giving it a 10-0 run. Team Eds na naman. Pinasa kay Sabas. Another long three. Wide open. No good. Now, Team J-Works is for the attack. Big man. Umatake. Power layup. Contested by Dudes. Battle for rebound. Nagtapikan. Isang magandang tapik mula kay Dudes at tumama sa tuhod. Ngunit, hindi pumayag. At tumawag pala ng foul. Team J-Works sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Decided for a long three. No good. Nag-agawan na naman sa rebound. Pero this time, si Dudes naman ang nakakuha ng possession. Team J-Works pa rin para sa atake. Nagagawan sa rebound. Kenneth. Nakuha ang bola. Pinasa kay Dudes. Dudes na-anticipate ang isang pass break play. To Sabas. Sabas for a transition. Possible layup. Naka-score na din ang Team Eds. Now, Team J-Works for 3. No good. Big rebound by Ed. Another transition play to Sabas for a contested layup but still make it. Nice play again for Dudes and Sabas. Now Team J-Works in for the inbound. Pinasa sa ilalim, big man, blocked by Kenneth. Scaples, nakuha ni Edward ang bola. Decided for a transition play again. Team Edge naman ngayon para sa attack. Pinasa kay Siron sa isang jumper na open. Good. Now Team J-Works setting the play. 3-pointer for a long three. No good. Big rebound by Ed. The transition. Tumatakbo. Umatake. Nag-stop. Umatake ulit. Gamit ang kaliwa. Cross-court pass to Sabas for a wide open 3 this time. And he makes it. Making a 9-0 run for Team Eds. It's at Eds. Making it all possible para mabuhay ang Team Eds. Team J-Works sets the play. Gumaganda na po ang laban. Point guard. Pass to a 3-pointer. Decided for 3, guarded by Dudes, pinayungan, inaninuhan. Point guard, nag-spin move. Pinasang muli kay Big Man for a wide open 3. Good. Yun ang tinatawag na pamatay sunog. Now, Team J-Works ulit for the set of play. Point guard, dribbles, sets the play. High screen na ginamit ni Big Man. Sinubukan pasana nasa backdoor, ngunit deflected by Siron. Pinasa kay Kenneth, ngunit nadulas ang bola. Nakuha ng Team J-Works, pinasa sa kakampi, ngunit deflected pa rin ni Dudes. Dudes mabilis na pinasa kay Kenneth at itinuro sa dulo para sa open si Siron para sa 3-in-1 situation. Siron to Sabas, binalik kay Siron. No good, rebound by Edward. Edward pinilit, ngunit pinaul. Ball remains to Team Eds. Edward pumunta sa gitna. Pinasa kay Sabas again for a wide open 3. Ito na kaya yon. Air ball. Big rebound ni big man ng Team J-Works. Coast to coast. They decide to drive the ball. Pinasa sa 3-pointer. Now 3-pointer. No good. But a big rebound by big man again ng Team J-Works. Decided for the follow-up but fouled. Now Team J-Works point guard. Pinasa kay big man for wide open 3. Bams! Now dude set to play. Assess. Pass down wide open against Sabas for 3. Still no good. Now Team J-Works point guard. Hindi na nagpa-screen. Makes a rainbow pass sa ilalim. And what a good shot. Now, dudes again setting for the Team Edge. Never give up. Nakita ang open si Siron for a pull-up jumper. Good. Now, Team J-Works is for the set of play. This one is a very crucial game. Dudes guarding the big man. Pinasa sa 3-pointer. Binantay naman ni Siron. Setted for the right. Natapik ni Dudes. Bawi ni point guard. Nag-set ulit ng play. Ginardahan naman ni Sabas. Pinasa sa isang kakampi. Binalik ulit kay point guard. Binantayan naman ni Siron. Nag-cross-court pass para kay J-Works. Decided for a 3-point. No good. Pero big rebound ni big man. At pinasa pa sa isang big man for a wide open 3. Contested back ni Edward. Ngunit doon natapos ang laban for a big 3-point shot. And the game has come to a close. We have the final score. Team J-Works for a score of 37. Team Edge 22.